camera rather than just on the camera. Tough physical film for you to do or easy tha?
It's always off the camera.
Yeah?
Hamesha. Only when you're working hard off the camera is that you get to see this on film.
You know, I like the fact that everyone is there. Bobby, I have to say, what kind of shape is this, man? A round of applause for how Bobby Deol is looking. What a comeback.
Not Bobby Deol anymore, Body Deol.
But he is. Bobby the body bomb. I like that. And he's trying to hide his popping out as well. Saqib Salim, I'm looking at you, man. You were also there.
Thank you, man.
And
Thank
Freddie,
you so
I can see, why are you wearing a jacket? You've got the biceps below that. He's the bad boy in the film. Maybe it's time for you to take off the jacket as well. So before I come to all you gentlemen, sir, was the requisite for every single actor in this film? Subah, 4 o'clock, if your call time is 9, 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the gym for everyone. Yeah? Was it always like that first? और डंडा मारा आपने अगर किसी ने नहीं किया तो?
नहीं ऐसी कोई नौबत नहीं आई है एक्चुअली।
सर दिख तो ऐसी रहा था आपने किसी को कभी कोई डंडा नहीं मारा कि अगर हल्का सा ठीक ठाक लग रहा है आई कैन सी लिटिल बिट कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम हियर लिटिल कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम देयर बिल्कुल नहीं
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं ऑल
That the post will handle.
But Salman sir, I've heard that Anil sir, on a number of sets, you're always the one who hits the gym first, and you're the last one to get out of the gym as well. That is a secret of this Raz, of the way you look. But is this the truth that you're always there, and that's your favorite place on a set?
That's the only problem. इसलिए मेरी body इन लोगों जैसी नहीं बनी आज तक.
Cardio में आप ज़्यादा believe करते हैं.
हाँ नहीं. But you know, I saw the trailer for the first time.
जी.
First time I saw myself and all of us, you know, Bobby, everybody, on 3D. I was completely dumbfounded. Absolutely, it's absolutely not. I'm not saying because you know we all are part of this film, but I'm really, really that in India we can make a film like this. Yeah.
That is true, Salman sir. Were you? Is the enormity
This
of
is
it?
the reason why we
Yeah.
delayed the trailer.
Did you?
5 मिनट रुक जाओ, 2 दिन रुक जाओ. Doubt है.
एब्सोल्युटली राइट सर।
But
सबर का फल मीठा होता
sir, but on a serious note, as a film like this, when you make such a
है.
large
शक्कर
scale
में
film,
रेस और रेस 2 भी दिखा दिया.
yeah, आज के tweets, those who've been following the tweets of Salman sir, you'll understand what he's talking about. Otherwise, sir, to make a film like this is very difficult. A lot of money being spent. It has to look like that also, you know. And so, you know, when you're shooting it also, is there a little extra responsibility?
So we had about 16 cars that we bought there in Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
So we thought we'd get them back and share them. Now we can't because इतने छोटे-छोटे टुकड़ों के अंदर वो गाड़ियाँ हैं. You saw the cars being blown up.
Is that
Real cars.
the USP you decided? This is a big difference for you from your normal set. You know, you're into your dance. I know there's a lot of choreography that goes in there also. लेकिन यहाँ action choreography is a little different. Were you overawed ever? Did you think कि कहीं यार मैं कर पाऊँगा कि नहीं कर पाऊँगा? You know, the scale that they want.
नहीं वो डाउट नहीं था, मुझे पता था कि ये कर पाएंगे बिकॉज एक तो कास्ट आप देख सकते हैं, कॉन्फिडेंस वहाँ से आ गया, फिर रमेश जी थे, सलमान सर थे, बैकिंग मी प्रॉपरली, सो आई न्यू आई कैन पुल इट ऑफ एंड आई हैड अ वेरी गुड टीम टू पुल दिस ऑफ.
It looks it. I have to come to the ladies. Y'all are looking as hot as ever. I hate watching y'all on Instagram because Jacqueline's hanging from God knows where, and Daisy, you yourself with your yoga, it's unbelievable, first of all. Kudos for doing it every single day in and day out. It really takes a lot out of there. So I'm going to clap for y'all because I know how difficult it is. And fantastic. I hear there's a lot of action that the both of y'all are doing in this as well. It's not just the boys doing it. So Jacqueline, a first of hardcore action for you, won't it be?
Actually, it is. I mean,
Yeah.
I've always been part of very big action-centric films, but this is the first time I've gone all out and done a lot of action. And we have a massive cat fight in the film, and trust me, I didn't know if I'd make it out of there alive. After Salman was present, Ramo sir, I mean, like, it was just one of the hardest cat fights, one of the hardest action sequences I ever had to do.
So did you hit her or what? That's why she thought she couldn't come out.
Yeah, in the film actually, yes.
Yeah, really? So when you're doing it, I mean, I know that it's all choreographed.
She kicks me really hard.
Yeah, I want to know, was there an incident when you know, you lose it? Sometimes, once in a while, it can happen, yeah. You know, you do the choreography, but still.
So I had my ankle fractured a month back.
Yeah.
Before we were shooting for the cat fight. And there was one shot where we had to actually
भाई
hit
तो
each
अपना
other.
बंद कर दे मिक्का. हाँ? अपना बंद कर दे please. Thank you पाजी.
So the impact was so hard that I could really feel a twitch on my ankle again. So that was Jackie.
Yeah, a few instances. I think, yeah, I think I slipped up a few more times than Daisy. She's definitely more in control. Her action
But
is
it was
amazing.
fun shooting for it. So.
Yeah, I can't wait to see that action as well. Freddie, you're the bad boy in this film. You know, I've seen you from your days of playing cricket. One of the, you would have made the Indian team. थोड़ा और खेल लेते यार bowling करते हुए. I think हमें ज़रूरत थी अभी. But I'm so happy to see you and Saqib in this setup, यार. It's a really big step up for you as well. Also, I know you've done films that have been big on, you know, canvas-wise. But तू बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होगा यार. To be with Salman sir in a film must be an amazing experience.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I've been doing action films.
Metro.
That's what he calls me because my character in the film is very metrosexual, you know. But amazing, yeah. I mean, you know, you'll soon see a metrosexual guy fighting, you know, in the film.
So are you fighting with everyone or what? मतलब
I,
तुम्हें सब मारते हैं या तुम एक आध के साथ ही fight कर रहे हो?
I tried to because they all avoided me. So, yeah, I tried to.
And Saqib, my friend, this is it for you. I think, you know, every time I meet you, I keep saying, next step, next step, next step. You're a fantastic actor. Is this your next step? Do you feel it from inside?
I don't know. I'm just very happy
Yeah.
that I'm part of such a big franchise. I still remember मैं ना 12th क्लास में था शायद जब पहली रेस रिलीज हुई थी सर और 2:30 बजे का शो होता है तो मैं 2:15 पहुंच गया और मेरे दोस्त ने बोला चल पिक्चर शुरू हो गई वील गो इनसाइड सो वी हैव गॉन इन सैट डाउन कि आगे बैठ जाते हैं रियलाइज कि पहले वाले शो का क्लाइमैक्स खत्म हुआ है और हमने वो क्लाइमैक्स पहले देख लिया एंड देन वी वर जस्ट फिगरिंग आउट व्हेन वी वर वाचिंग द फिल्म कि भैया ये होगा कैसे मतलब coming from there to be part of such a big film, to be part of a film with Salman bhai, Anil sir, Bobby, everybody on this podium is a massive, massive thing here. I always say this, I'm a middle class boy in my head from Delhi. अगर मैं एक ऐड करके भी दिल्ली वापस चला जाता तो बड़ा खुश होता वहाँ कॉलोनी में लोग मेरे साथ फोटो खिंचवा लेते So for me, Race 3 is a massive, massive film.
I'm so happy to see you on it, buddy. Ramesh ji, it's a massive, massive film. सलमान सर ने बोला कि बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े if the best was required you got more than the best. Are you nervous at all?
Not at all, not at all. एक तो पिक्चर हमारी बहुत बड़ी है और सलमान है उसमें तो काय को नर्वस होना है.
But it's looking amazing. Now, when you're planning a trailer also, आपने अगर पहली बार देखा, your first reaction when it came out, was it like Anil sir says, झकास? Was it like that for you?
नहीं हमने पोस्ट में भी देखा है तो हमको पता था
तो
बहुत
जब
टाइम
पोस्ट में पहली बार देखा,
बहुत टाइम लगा हमको बनाने में इसलिए इतने लोग पूछ रहे थे कब आ रहा है ट्रेलर कब आ रहा है तो आई थिंक जब आप सबने देखा तो आप समझ सकते हो कि वो वेट वर्थ था जब आप ये ट्रेलर देखते हैं तो आई थिंक आई कैन से दैट.
Before I throw out for the audience, I cannot leave you. The wait was worth looking at you like this. And I'm so happy to see this. I think you've resurrected your own career. You know, and it's great to see you back in action. Please don't ever run away again or don't ever leave like the mainstream because I think you deserve to be and we all always wanted to be here. So, good to see you back, Bobby.
No, I'm just very, I mean, what do I say? Mamu is my angel, okay? He is someone who has believed in me and he caught me at the right time when I was getting more focused in life and I was looking after myself. And it's always, you know, you can, kabhi bhi kaam mil sakta hai. So I was trying to prepare myself for that and next thing I know, Mamu calls, Mamu, shed utarega? I said, मैं कुछ भी करूँगा. So I'm so happy to be here, to see myself in 3D. I mean, that was always a dream to be a part of a 3D film, and especially Race. And we're working with Ramesh ji again, working with Anil for the first time, yeah. And I've seen him as a kid myself. And then with Jacqueline and Daisy and Freddie and Munna. I call him Munna, Saqib. We used to play cricket together in CCL, so तब से इसको मुन्ना बुला रहा हूँ. मुझे पता चला कि इसका नाम मुन्ना था ही नहीं पेट नेम.
ये आपने ही रखा है.
चल ठीक है, मैंने रखा है. So I'm so happy just to be a part of Race and glad that there's such a crowd. I've never seen so many people out here before.
Yeah, that's why I said it's an event. With Salman sir, it's always an event. I'm going to open it out to the media. Shoot as you want. I'll just direct as you guys say. पहला सवाल किसका?
हाय खान साहब आपके लेफ्ट में आलोक है. खान साहब आपने रेस 1 या 2 देखी थी?
नहीं देखी थी.
और नहीं देखी थी तो क्या
अच्छा हुआ ना नहीं देखी.
मतलब क्या कारण थे कि रेस 3 से आप जुड़े?
टाइम नहीं मिला सर मुझे देखने के लिए रेस 1-2 बट मुझे फॉर्मेट पता था तो उस फॉर्मेट को थोड़ा सा चेंज करना था तो उसमें थोड़ा सा हम आपके हैं कौन डाल दिया.
तो इस टैगलाइन से कितना इत्तेफाक रखते हैं?
सर पर्सनली तो नहीं रखता, इस फिल्म में रखना पड़ रहा है मुझे.
जैकलीन आपको सीक्वल क्वीन माना जाने लगा है कि सीक्वल्स का आप हिस्सा बनती हैं, वो ब्लॉकबस्टर होती हैं, किस तरह से देखती हैं रेस 3?
Definitely, I think no different from.
शर्म नहीं आती हिंदी में सवाल पूछते हो?
सर मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती.
No, but it is. I mean, it's honestly such an exciting feeling to be part of a franchise that you're part of before, and because it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and better and better. So this is really exciting.
Depending who's going to be in the next race, huh?
Yeah, hi, Salman.
रेमो सर आपसे एक सवाल है मेरा कि जब
हाँ सर.
इस लेवल की टीम आपको दी गई विद सलमान, हाय हाय रेमो सर,
हाय.
जब इस तादाद की टीम आपको दी गई, इतने बड़े बड़े दिग्गज कलाकार हैं,
जी.
तो कोई प्रेशर था एक डायरेक्टर के तौर पर?
मैं अगर नहीं बोलूँगा तो झूठ बोलूँगा. एक्चुअली प्रेशर बहुत था. इतनी बड़ी टीम और इतना बड़ा फिल्म करना मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा प्रेशर था, बट सपोर्ट बहुत था पूरी टीम से, एंड इसलिए पुल ऑफ कर पाया मैं एक्चुअली.
हाय सलमान, आपके सामने यहाँ पर राइट
Sir, right here.
सोहेल.
नीचे.
Yeah, hi. Congratulations to all of y'all. The trailer is fabulous. सलमान, कब आपने सोचा कि रेस के साथ जुड़ना है? What made you actually? पहले आप इस franchise.
तो ये 2 साल पहले मैंने ये स्क्रिप्ट सुनी थी. मेरे बाउंसर चली गई स्क्रिप्ट, एंड रमेश जी kept on insisting कि फिर से सुन लो, फिर से सुन लो, फिर से सुन लो. Then I heard it again. And then I thought it's a different genre for me to do. Or I just need some few changes. क्योंकि मैं as the kind of films that I'm doing, I don't fit the race का एक वो जो film है, जो कि I've not seen the whole films, but I've seen his work and I've seen some songs of the film. So I know the genre of the film. So I didn't know where I would fit into the genre. So then Ramesh ji and Shiraz bhai sat on the script and reworked it out, and they came and narrated to me. And then I realized that this is actually a fun film to do for me. And we all had a blast. We had a great time shooting it. Yeah, it's... And जो पहले होता था ना एक म्यूजिकल एक्शन बोनांजा, जो एक बहुत टाइम में नहीं आया, एक आके एक बड़ी पिक्चर देखो जिसका म्यूजिक बहुत बड़ा है, जिसका एक्शन बहुत बड़ा है, जिसका इमोशन करेक्ट है. You know, it's just you come in, interval तो देखो, you know, enjoy it, come back after the interval, end के अंदर, you know, तालियां वालियां मार के, पेट भर के, you know, एक enjoy करके निकलो. This is one of those kind of films, which I haven't done in a very long time. I've never done at all actually.
So sir, आप बाद में join हुए as a producer, like.
You know, like the films that Mr. Bachchan and VK sir and Dharamji used to do, that, you know, come watch, have a great time and go back home. This is that show.
अनिल जी, आप ओरिजिनली रेस से जुड़े हो, आपने देखा है अब्बास मस्तान जी की स्टाइल एंड रेमो जी की. व्हाट हैव यू टू से कि ये स्केल कितना ऊपर गया है इनफैक्ट?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप लोग फिल्म देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा, क्योंकि you know, it's better that our works speaks rather than, you know, me saying about the film. Once you see the film, you've seen the trailer.
But I can talk, right?
You can.
He's outstanding in the film. Outstanding means like he's phenomenal in the film. Mastered the look.
अनिल सर, इस बार कौन सा फल खाते हुए नजर आएंगे आप?
Success का. नाना जी.
हेलो, तरानी सर से मेरा क्वेश्चन है. Tarani sir.
On the right, sir.
Jacqueline is the only actress that you have retained in the film. So, what was the reason? Do you think she's lucky for you?
नहीं.
No.
एक मिनट.
So mean,
मैं
Ramesh
समझा,
ji.
मैं समझा.
Ramesh
से
ji,
पूछा.
so mean.
अनिल सर भी हैं, लेकिन अनिल जी का कैरेक्टर इस पिक्चर में टोटली डिफरेंट है.
I said actress.
हाँ, एक्ट्रेस जैकलिन का भी आप देखेंगे तो अलग है, कैरेक्टर अलग है इस पिक्चर, और इसमें मेन रोल है उनका.
Jacqueline, after Kick, you are teaming up with Salman sir again, and then again you will be doing another film with him. So, how do you see work with him again and again? And this is going to be your second time.
What can I say? I owe Salman a lot. I owe him everything. So, you know, doing Kick was one of the biggest turning points in my career. And now I feel I have that same feeling with Race again. But yeah, it's a dream to work with him. He's an amazing person. He's an amazing human being. Salman, anything else?
So actually, Remo, me, Jackie, and Daisy were supposed to be doing another film together. And then we were still working on the script, and came Race. So then I asked Remo if he wants to do Race, and so I said, the same team gets into Race, and we make Race before we make that film. So if this film goes okay, then this team does the other film together.
रेमो सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, या इस तरफ रेमो जी इधर
हाँ जी
इसमें स्टार कास्ट इतनी बड़ी है, इन सबको हैंडल करते हुए स्क्रिप्ट पर वर्क करना कितना मुश्किल था, सबके लिए रोल निकालना, सबके लिए करना, और स्पेशली जब इतने बड़े बड़े स्टार्स हो तो।
मैं एक्चुअली स्क्रिप्ट पहले बनी है, उसके बाद मैं आया हूँ। तो शिराज भाई ने ऑलरेडी स्क्रिप्ट लिखी हुई थी, और स्क्रिप्ट सलमान सर ने 2 साल पहले सुन भी ली थी। उसके बाद जो चेंजेस बोले थे वो भी हो चुका था। उसके बाद मैं आया हूँ। उसके बाद मैंने और शिराज भाई हम सब मिलके वापस हम स्क्रिप्ट पे बैठे, जो जो चेंजेस करने थे वो किए। एंड उसके बाद ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट बहुत ही अच्छी लिखी थी, और जिन जिन के किरदार इसमें थे और वो सभी के प्रॉपर रोल हैं इसमें, सभी का इक्वली काम है। तो आई थिंक
और इसमें हम लोग वो स्टार वैल्यू पे नहीं गए, इसमें हम कैरेक्टर्स के ऊपर गए कि कौन किसका कैरेक्टर वो जस्टिफाई होना चाहिए। इट डजंट मैटर कि हु इज डूइंग वेल, हु इज नॉट डूइंग वेल, एवरीवन हैज बीन ट्रीटेड इक्वली इन द फिल्म। आप देखोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि वो चढ़ते सूरज वाला हिसाब नहीं है यहाँ पर।
रेमो, आपसे सवाल है, आपने अब्बास मस्तान की जो 1, 2, 3 वो देखी थी या नहीं, और ये कितना प्रेशर आप पर था कि उस फिल्म से बिल्कुल इसको डिफरेंट करें और अपना स्टाइल इसमें डालें?
मैंने दोनों देखी थी, और अब्बास मस्तान जी बहुत बड़े डायरेक्टर हैं। तो मतलब मुझे थोड़ा सा प्रेशर था, क्योंकि एक तो अब्बास जी मस्तान जी के दो पार्ट उन्होंने बना दी थी, तीसरी ये थी, और उसके बाद सेम जॉनर है, तो थोड़ा सा प्रेशर था। लेकिन जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट सुनी और जब मैं बैठा, मैंने कहा कि यार ये जो ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स है वो एक्चुअली मैं अभी बचपन से करता आ रहा हूँ, ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स डांस में करता रहता हूँ मैं, तो मुझे इतना ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं लगा, तो कर दिया। अभी आई थिंक आप लोग देख के बताएंगे कि जस्टिस किया कि नहीं।
देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर तो होगा ही होगा, क्योंकि अब्बास मस्तान 7 भाई हैं, ये एक हैं, तो साथ मिलके वाइट कपड़ों में डायरेक्ट करते हैं। ये बेचारे काले कपड़ों में एक आदमी डायरेक्ट कर रहा है।
Hi, the film is in 3D, and how important was it for you guys to make it in 3D? And also, was the film shot in 3D or was it converted later on into 3D? And did that affect, how you guys sort of shot the film?
So, मैंने 2 फिल्म कर चुका हूँ 3D में, और ये वाली जब से मुझे पता था मैं 3D करना था, लेकिन आई थिंक रमेश जी और सलमान साहब इनिशियली अग्रीड नहीं थे कि इसको 3D में करना चाहिए, लेकिन मैंने और हमारे DOP बोस से मैंने अपने अंदर ही अंदर हमने बात कर लिया था कि ये शायद ना भी हो, लेकिन लेट्स शूट 3D इन माइंड, एंड ये फिल्म 3D समझ के शूट करते हैं।
Remo, it's outstanding, I swear.
Thank you, sir.
It's fantastic.
Thank you,
Seriously.
sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's a great decision.
It's fantastic.
ये पिक्चर नहीं करता? You saying that?
बिल्कुल नहीं। कोई भी सेंसिबल एक्टर जब भी कुछ नया करने जाता है, थोड़ा सा शायद बटरफ्लाइज इन द स्टमक, अगर वो वाला वर्ड कहावत कही जाए तो गलत नहीं।
ये गलत आदमी को ये सवाल पूछ रहे हो। मैं सेंसिबल एक्टर हूँ ही नहीं, ना मैं सेंसिबल हूँ ना मैं एक्टर हूँ।
Okay, but do you think थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग रहा?
No, because script सुन लिया था, so I knew that Remo will execute the scenes really well, the songs really well. Action के लिए हमारे पास अनल थे, Tom who did Tigers and the, he was there with us. तो बचा क्या? Post production team is fantastic.
Thank you.
Just pass the mic at the back. Yeah.
Salman, towards your right, Justin here. Salman here, Justin. Salman, the shooting of Race 3 coincided with the Jodhpur verdict which had come out. Did that ever...
You know we're not going to go into that, bro.
No, I really wanted to ask you, did
That's
that...
actually the only reason I get paid to stand here. Otherwise anybody
Just
can do
go
this.
touch it and come
We've
out.
take it back. Send the mic back. No, I won't. No, we can't go into that zone, yaar. If it's Jodhpur, no. If it's Karnataka election, no. If it's Race 3, absolutely.
It's actually about the film.
Okay, cool. So then we'll give you your...
Did that put the pressure on you, considering that a lot of money was riding on the film and what would happen? What would happen later?
Did you think that I was going to go on forever?
No.
Thank you.
Sorted. We go back.
Seriously. Because I was worried.
Thank
All right, that gentleman at the back. Piche.
Can I ask first?
Oh yeah, sure, okay.
Hi, Salman. We heard that you were about to you team up with Remo for another film, which was a father-daughter story, which was supposed to start after Tube Light.
Yeah.
So we heard that because Tube Light failed at the box office, you didn't want to go into the same genre of an emotional film. Is that true? And do you guys plan to make that film in the future?
So yeah, I did really badly, and Tube Light has done really badly, but it's still done much better than the rest of the films, which I'm really happy. Even though we returned back a lot of money, we had a lot of money to put into Race 3.
But that...
So if that you call disaster, then I'm really honored and privileged to be in this position that 100 crore plus films are considered disasters of mine. Thank you so much, madam. How sweet
You're
of
welcome,
you.
but did that affect your decision to work on that film?
No, so the decision was that Martin के साथ एक picture कर लिया, मुन्नी के साथ एक picture कर लिया. So now there's another kid. ऐसे बच्चों को थोड़ा सा break दो, बड़ों के साथ काम करो. बच्चे तो फिर भी हो जाएंगे और काम कर लेंगे.
All right, guys, we're going to wrap up. We're just going to do a little photo op right now. Bobby say, okay, just on a parting note, Bobby, we're giving you the parting note. He was already very emotional earlier also. I think that was beautiful, no?
It's been
One,
great.
it's the last question.
It's basically been great working. I haven't worked for so many years, and it's the best thing in my life is to work, and I was working, and I had a great time. It was great fun working with everyone. Like, for example, Remo, I worked with him when he used to be an assistant dancer. And today he was directing me because he's done such great work himself. And working with Rameshji again, I mean, Rameshji forgot me after Naqab, but he remembered me after a long time. But it's been great. It's been great working with everyone in this unit. Everyone, people sitting right in front of me. There's Bose, there's everyone who's done the music. The music is kick-ass. I've got some great songs after a long time. And the rest is 15th June. You have to go watch the film. And I'm sure everybody's going to go watch the film. So I'm glad people are going to see me.
So the amazing thing is Remo started from a dancer.
Yeah.
Today he's directing. Daisy started from being a dancer. You know, she's acting today. He's directing me. She's there in the second film with me. It's amazing. Jackie is a part of Race 3. She was a part of Race 2. Daisy was an assistant choreographer in Race 1. And today she's one of the leads in Race 3. It is. Anil was there in 1 and 2 both. You know? Yeah. And we are fortunate to have him in 3.
Okay, we're going to wrap up, buddy. We're going to wrap up. So we'll do a little photo shoot up in front.
Hello.
Arey, one sec, Baba. You can't hog all the questions, na? वैसे मेरे को last सवाल बोल दिया वहाँ पे. Can't you see eyes that side that keep looking at me and saying, let's wrap up? Okay, so we're going to wrap. One last question.
Sir, Salman sir से sir एक question है. Salman sir.
Where? भाई एक आखिरी सवाल कहाँ से है?
Sir, Salman sir.
Extreme left. No भेदभाव.
One question, sir. Salman sir से.
Yeah.
Salman sir. Hello.
हाँ आप सवाल कर लो यार. Ask the question.
Sir, मैं सामना से सोम प्रकाश शिवम. सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आप बच्चों के प्रति देश के अंदर बहुत लोकप्रिय हैं, खास करके बड़े बच्चों ही नहीं, छोटे बच्चों में भी, 2-3 साल के बच्चे भी, वो भी सर आपको बहुत पसंद करते हैं. टीवी पे स्थिति ये है कि बच्चा रो रहा हो, माँ कहते सलमान आ गए तो बच्चा चुप होता है. जहाँ तक है सर, ये तो गब्बर. सर मैं इसका उदाहरण सामने खड़ा हूँ.
ये तो गब्बर का सुना था भाई.
सर मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ, आपकी लोकप्रियता बच्चों के अंदर इतनी है, तेजी से बढ़ी है, और आज देश में बच्चों के साथ जघन्य अपराध हो रहे हैं. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
अरे शुरुआत अच्छी कर दी, कहाँ चले गए तुम यार? हैं?
सर सलमान सर
घूम
का
फिरा के
संदेश,
ही नाक
सलमान
पकड़
सर
ली।
का संदेश सर
नहीं,
लोगों की
सही जगह गए हैं एंड ये जो हो रहा है बच्चों के साथ बहुत
जी,
गलत
सर।
हो रहा है एंड आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस शुड टेक अ स्टैंड ऑन दिस वन एंड गेट दिस स्टॉप्ड राइट नाउ ASAP अभी खत्म करो कैसे भी
Done. And Ramesh, he wants this lady the last question. Who is the lady on the right here? Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. जी
मेरी गाड़ियां बर्बाद कर दी आपको अच्छा लग रहा है
जी
ये सवाल मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि रेमो ने खुद ने प्लांट किया है
नहीं मैंने नहीं किया।
साकिब तुम्हारा कोई आदमी है
नहीं मैं बहुत खुश हूँ ऐसी फिल्म करने का मौका मिल रहा है मुझे। मुझे याद है इनिशियली जब मैं डांसर था मेरी पहली फिल्म जो थी जिसमें मैंने डांसिंग की थी वो इनकी पहली फिल्म थी औजार, जिसमें सलमान सर एक्टर थे। इनकी पहली प्रोडक्शन थी, मैं उसमें डांसर था।
और एक गोरा चिट्टा डांसर मेरी लाइफ में मेरे लेफ्ट में डांस कर रहा था।
मैं इनके पीछे डांस किया और मैं बहुत बहुत खुश हूँ कि आज यहाँ पे इस स्टेज पे इन सबके साथ बैठा हूँ, इनको डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ। मेरे लिए उतनी बड़ी बात है। मुझे किसी के साथ कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। मुझे ये सब काम करने को मिल रहा है। Thank you so much.
Your story has been very inspirational for all of us, and they always have been, sir. Thank you so much. Guys, we'll have a little photo op at the end, and Ramesh, you would also like to call.
Please come.